Okay, this is a little bit different for Beauty for the Win, but I thought I would share it. They have cosmetic ones too, but this one is just the Mini Bratz. Mini Bratz by Miniverse Series 2. Let's open it up. First of all, let me just say that I love miniatures. It comes with 2 dolls, so let's see what we get. Oh! Looks like Barbie color. Ooh, look at her. She is so cute. She's got her winter attire. It says Bratz Wintertime Collection, and this is Sasha. We all know that one. I didn't watch Bratz very often. I don't even think I watched it, maybe like once or twice, but I do remember the name Sasha. So cute. Number 2, let's open it up. Oh, Bratz Rock Angels. She looks really cute. Her name's Chloe. Chloe, the Bratz are back and they're here to rock. So cute, look guys. Let me know if you guys have any of these, or if you're planning to get them. They're so cute. I just had to share on my channel here. And then, of course, you can get the other ones. And as you guys know, there's a Kylie Jenner one, where it's just Kylie Jenner dolls, but I like these ones. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more beauty.